delicious homemade pilaf biryani, chicken tikka, and kebab for Iftar, Ramadan special. Affordable and beginner-friendly recipes with step-by-step instructions. Assalamu alaikum and Ramadan Mubarak, dear viewers. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. Today, we have an exciting episode for you, perfect for iftar during this blessed month of Ramadan. We'll be making 3 mouth-watering dishes, pilaf biryani, chicken tikka, and kebab. The best part? These recipes are not only delicious but also affordable and perfect for beginners. So, let's get started. Part 1, Pilaf Biryani. We'll kick off with the flavorful Pilaf Biryani. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups basmati rice. 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 1 large onion, thinly sliced. 2 tomatoes, chopped. Half cup plain yogurt. 1/4 cup cooking oil. 2 tablespoons ghee, clarified butter. Whole spices, bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon biryani masala. Fresh coriander and mint leaves for garnish. Salt to taste. Step 1, preparing the rice. Start by rinsing the basmati rice until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. This ensures that the rice cooks evenly. Step 2, cooking the chicken. In a pot, heat oil and ghee. Add the sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Then, add the ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears. Now, add the chicken pieces and cook until they are browned. Step 3, adding spices and yogurt. Time to add the whole spices, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and biryani masala. Mix well, and then add chopped tomatoes. Cook until the tomatoes are soft. Now, add yogurt, which will give our biryani a creamy texture. Step 4, layering and dum cooking. In a separate pot, layer half of the soaked rice over the chicken mixture. Sprinkle some chopped mint and coriander leaves. Repeat the process with the remaining rice and herbs. Cover the pot with a tight lid and let it cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Step 5, garnish and serve. Our pilaf biryani is ready. Garnish it with fresh coriander and mint leaves. Serve it hot with raita or your favorite side dish. Part 2, chicken tikka. Now, let's move on to the delicious chicken tikka. Here are the ingredients. 500 grams boneless chicken, cut into cubes. 1 cup yogurt. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon garam masala. Salt to taste. Skewers for grilling. Step 1, marinating the chicken. In a bowl, mix yogurt, ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, and salt. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade, ensuring they are well coated. Step 2, skewering and grilling. Thread the marinated chicken onto skewers. You can use an oven or a grill for this step. Step 3, garnish and serve. Our succulent chicken tikka is ready. Garnish it with some chopped coriander and serve it with mint chutney or your favorite sauce. Part 3, kebab. Last but not least, let's make some mouth-watering kebabs. Here's what you'll need. 500 grams minced chicken. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon garam masala. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. 1/4 cup chopped coriander leaves. Salt and pepper to taste. Skewers for grilling. Step 1, mixing and marinating. In a large bowl, combine the minced chicken, chopped onion, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, breadcrumbs, chopped coriander leaves, salt, and pepper. Mix everything well and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Step 2. Shaping and grilling. Take small portions of the marinated mixture and shape them into kebabs. Thread them onto skewers and grill until they are golden brown and cooked through. Step 3. Serve with love. Our delicious chicken kebabs are ready to be served. Arrange them on a plate and garnish with fresh coriander. These kebabs are perfect for sharing with your loved ones during iftar. There you have it, 3 delightful recipes for your iftar table: pilaf, biryani, chicken tikka, and kebab. If you enjoy this recipe, please subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. These dishes are not only affordable but also beginner-friendly, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the joy of cooking during this blessed month of Ramadan. Remember, cooking is an act of love, and sharing these homemade delights with your family and friends adds a special touch to your iftar gatherings. Wishing you a Ramadan filled with blessings and delicious moments. Until next time, Ramadan Kareem. Thank you very much, pilaf, biryani, chicken tikka, and kebab lovers.